What's up, guys? Welcome back to Diesel Creek. My name's Matt, if you don't already know. This morning I woke up to a text message from a buddy of mine. Says, hey, I gotta go do a job today, but I just found this screaming deal on a skid steer up in Akron. You got some time, maybe go get it for me? And I said, I could probably squeeze that into my schedule. So I got saddled up in Old Blue here. I got the deck over trailer hitched up, and we are on our way up to Akron. And there's a flagger with no signage. Well, that was nearly bad. Driving to Akron, Ohio, which is about a 2-hour drive from me. I live west of Pittsburgh. I get that question a lot. And anyway, we are gonna go pick us up a skid steer, and I will show you guys the skid steer when we get there. You know what happens when you load them like that sometimes? You start pulling up on there and it actually lifts the tires up off the ground of the truck and some bitch will take off. That's not counting cars. Here we are. We drug it back to Bob's place. She looks good from far, but she's far from good. It's got a 4BT Cummins in it. I'd say the biggest thing wrong with it, a chunk of counterweight missing. But that's that ductile iron. They probably just hit something good, smacked it. And the quick attach for the bucket here, there's supposed to be a lever here. That's missing. But otherwise not too bad. Pretty rusty in the cab. But as far as I know, everything works. Starts up and runs nice. So the radiator leaks a little bit too. There's a leak somewhere down around here in the bottom of this core, but it should be able to just be soldered. That's a 4BT Cummins, so it's got a good engine in it. It's got 4,000 hours. He said it runs really good, nice and smooth. I don't see any major oil leaks or anything, nothing real wet. Concerned that it might not be charging, the alternator might not be charging, but even all the lights work, which is impressive. $4,068 hours. Alright, started getting into a couple beers with the guys there and didn't finish that video really proper. So Bob picked that skid steer up for $6,600 is what I ended up getting the guy down to. And it is a pretty rough machine. It looks better in the video than it is in person. There's a lot of scale, a lot of rust. I mean, I didn't even notice it until the next day when I was checking it out again. The seat pan was rotted clear off of that thing, and it was just sitting over top of a hole in the cab that allows you access to the hydraulic pump and stuff. So there's a lot of little things, little TLC things that Bob wants to fix on this machine, and when he's done, he's either going to keep it if it turns out to be a nice machine, or he's going to just paint the pig and sell it. The paint job was another thing I didn't really show close up in the video, but they just painted right over rust scale and all kind of stuff. The decals on the side that look like they're nicer, newer decals are actually like, almost look like a Sharpie marker that somebody went over the original decals with, because they just painted straight over those two. But Bob likes to take on projects like this. He fixes up motorcycles and dirt bikes and all kind of stuff like that, so he'll get it fixed up nice to where it's a good machine and ready to go to work. And like I said, he'll either keep it for his own use or he'll try to make a couple bucks off of it. So $6,600, that's a pretty good window for profit on something like this. So that's why we went up and made the effort to go get that for him. But I'll try to check back in with his progress once he gets a few things done with it, and we'll see what it looks like when he's done. If you guys are interested, let me know down in the comments. Maybe you don't care a bit about my buddy's machine, but I really like going and doing stuff like this. I like seeing new places and getting to pull stuff around with my truck for some reason. But anyway, that's just my short Wednesday video, guys. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. It really helps the channel out, and I will be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Later.